In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a digital product on Gumroad. First, head over to the Gumroad website and open your dashboard. From there, navigate to the Products section. You'll see an option to create something new. Click New Product to get started. On the Setup screen, enter the name of your product. This is the title customers will see, so keep it clear and benefit focused. Next, choose Digital Product as the type since we're selling a file or download. Set your price. You can choose a fixed price, and if you plan to offer discounts later, that's okay. You can still set a base price now. When you're ready, click Next to move on. Now write your product description. Aim for a short, compelling overview first, followed by a few sentences that clearly explain what buyers will get, who it's for, and how it helps them. If your product includes multiple items or bonuses, list them here so expectations are clear. Add your visuals, upload a cover image and a thumbnail. Use clean, high-contrast artwork that looks good at small sizes, since the thumbnail appears in listings and on social shares. Consistent branding helps your product stand out. Continue by filling in the rest of your product info. This may include a short summary, an optional custom URL, and any tags or categories that help with organization. If you offer variations, like Standard and Pro or different file formats, add a version here. Each version can have its own name, description, and price, which makes upgrades or bundles easy to manage. Review the available settings and toggle what you need. Depending on your offer, you might adjust visibility, enable license keys for software, allow sales limits, or set up pre-orders if your content releases later. Keep things as simple as possible to start, and only turn on what supports your launch. Next, go to the Content section. This is where you upload your digital product. You can add files like PDFs, zips, audio, video, or project files. If you have multiple assets, consider bundling them into a single zip so customers download everything at once. Wait for the upload to finish and double-check file names so they look professional. When everything looks good, your title, price, description, images, and content, click Publish. Gumroad will generate a product page and checkout link you can share immediately. That's it, your digital product is live and ready for customers.